Hi, thank you very much for watching my little life channel. In this channel, I introduce Japanese food and culture from London. And in this video, I introduce this mysterious packet. This is called Chazuke or Ochazuke. On the top of packet, it says seasoning for rice soup. But it doesn't explain everything. Wikipedia said ochazuke is a Japanese dish made by pouring green tea or hot water over the cooked rice. And now here, I'm gonna show you how it looks like exactly. So, contents of the packet look like this. Then you need bowl of rice. The key is you need cold rice. Usually we use the rice from the day before. Those are the contents for this packet. So now pour hot water and eat it. It's just that's it. It looks like porridge. But biggest difference is we don't cook at all. It just pour hot water. And important things is use always leftover from last meal. Nowadays we got this kind of packet as an instant meal, but old days we were using the leftover from the previous day or meal. Then recreate nice meal easily. For topping, we use fish, some sort of vegetable or pickles, also seaweed. Meat is not quite good for this. And when and where we eat ochazuke, it's actually izakaya restaurant. Because those foods are quite greasy and heavy, we tend to fancy this kind of light meal. Also, it's useful for emergency. If you got nothing to eat but rice, you can still create a nice meal in a minute. I hope you enjoyed the video and find it interesting. If you like Japanese culture and food, please check my another videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching till the end and have a good day.